Have you seen these crazy looking detailing tools online and wondered if they actually work on real cars? I did too. So I picked up the Ultra Air Blaster Plus for only $60 from the rag company to test it out. I'm unboxing it and showing what it can clean, what it can't, and how I plan to use it so you can decide if it's worth it for you. Right away, I love that it has a solid metal outlet tube with real bearings. It also includes this small weight on the pickup line to help extract cleaner fluid at any angle. It also includes this control valve to reduce airflow as needed, which is a really nice feature. The container itself feels very durable, made with tough plastic and a wide mouth design for easy filling, and a wide base so it won't tip over easily. It comes with an additional trumpet with a very soft bristle brush, and a bottle cap if you decide to remove the bottle and store it on the shelf. It also comes with multiple airline fittings to fit your specific setup. I was super excited to try this on my wife's 2012 Honda Civic. It hasn't had a deep clean in months, as you can see, and she drives it every day, so the buildup here is real. I'm using P&S Express interior cleaner diluted 1-to-1 with distilled water for pretty much all the surfaces. And stick around, later in the video, I'll show you how this tool can seriously speed up carpet shampooing when I pair it with my favorite upholstery cleaner. So the idea behind this tool is pretty simple. It's supposed to replace using a spray bottle and a brush at the same time by blasting a Tornado-style mix of air and cleaner at around 90 psi. It sounds awesome in theory, but the real question is, does it actually work on dirty cars? Or is it only good for light dust? Okay, I got a little ahead of myself here. Instead of pulling out the floor mat and vacuuming first, I wanted to see what this tool could do on this spot with heavy buildup really quick. It's a tight area that's hard to reach with a vacuum and or brushes paired together, so it felt like the perfect first test. All the dust and stuck on bits here are actually coming off. And this whole area looks a million times better without any scrubbing involved. I was actually not expecting that, and I was thinking I was going to have to come behind and scrub with my microfiber at least. Before I go any further, it's a good idea to clean up most of this dirt so we're not blasting it everywhere and making a huge mess. I'm not trying to make it perfect yet. I say that for the end of the job. But you can also use a tool to save you time by breaking up the dirt and carpet that's really tough to remove with a vacuum alone. And I've got an even better carpet example on an F-150 coming up, so hang tight for that satisfying part. Alright, so as you can see, there's a good amount of dirt built up here. Normally, you'd spray your cleaner and scrub it with a brush if that's all you have, or use a drill brush, which also works really great. But let's see what this tool can do with zero scrubbing. One smart thing the rag company did was make the trumpet shorter. On the pricier Tornador, the long skinny trumpet clogs with dirt and the small threads can strip out. Mine did. This shorter design feels like a fix from people who actually detail. This tool really can clean tough dirt, but it does struggle with sticky, stuck-on gunk. That's where a steam cleaner is still needed. At the end of the video, I'll show you how I quickly handle sticky spots like this in the center console using what I think is the best car steam cleaner under $250. This carpet isn't a great example. It's just too clean. But this 2019 F-150 is perfect. It has dirt packed into the carpet between the seats and around the mat edges, which is super common and usually needs shampooing. Normally, I'd spray it cleaner and then use my Tornador or drill brushes to agitate. The cleaner helps loosen the dirt because agitating alone can only do so much. Like you see here, this is without the cleaner coming out of the tool. But when you turn the valve on and let the cleaner flow through this tool, it basically does what I normally do, but in about half the time, with one hand and with one tool. You just point and pull the trigger. It doesn't get much easier than that. Just make sure you're using a fabric-safe cleaner. Revive It Rocket by Bonnet Pro is my current favorite, but a diluted all-purpose cleaner or even P&S Express will work if that's what you have. And while you're already down here on the carpet, you might as well hit the nearby hard surfaces too. You'll start to notice how much this tool really speeds up the whole process. It saves time and energy. even if you're only planning to use it on your own cars at home. When you're using air tools like this, there's a simple upgrade that makes the whole experience even better. That is the Ultra Air Swivel attachment. It makes moving the tool around inside the car so much easier. Without it, you end up fighting your air hose the whole time. Do you need it? No, but is it super cool and extremely useful if you got the extra money? Absolutely. I also pair it with a Flexzilla hose for even more flexibility. Together, this setup makes air tools feel light and not annoying to use. Now, all you got to do to finish your carpet is simply mop up with a clean, dry microfiber towel and vacuum up the rest of the debris you see like this at the end for a superior result. But as you can see, the results look great even without the vacuum yet. On newer vehicles with just light dust, it makes cleaning vents, cracks, crevices, and all those hard to reach spots incredibly simple. If you're using this on a brand new car, I'd try a light mix of Absolute Rinseless Wash and distilled water before jumping to P&S Express, just to keep things as gentle as possible. For the next minute, I'll stop talking and let you watch this tool in action on 2 more spots in the center console. After that, I'll show you how I use a steam cleaner to remove sticky candy from the console. Alright, so this is the Dupre Neat Plus Steamer. It uses a dual tank design, giving you dry, hot steam with 0 downtime. Perfect for melting away candy, gum, and sticky messes when normal cleaning simply won't cut it. If you want to see me unbox it and hear how it compares to my $1,200 professional steamer, tap the next video on the end screen. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe. And if you have a little extra money and want to speed up your detailing process, the Ultra Air Blaster Plus from the Rag Company is a fantastic buy at more than half the cost of other brands. All the tools and products I used are linked in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'm Alan with Highlines Auto Detailing. Have a great rest of your day.